所有的团面都会落尘，尘堆久就变土。然后其实山后面还有山。
The imperial brush peak transforms into a pillar of divine light piercing the sky. While the sea of floods as its spiritual energy is awakening from all directions, in this moment, you are no ordinary traveler, but a populated crossing into this northwest and shatters the starlight. When this reveals